Bitcoin, I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. We mentioned we want to see the breakout of the desktop, the highest price of this correction. As we can see, the price broke, but it couldn't continue, all right? There is no more changes if we refer to our analysis in my last video. The only thing is right now we're looking at this correction because we mentioned we want to see the breakout of 41K. As you can see, the price haven't tagged yet and they start to correct. Because if we move to daily chart, we mentioned if we're looking for the reversal, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. That's why whoever get the trade based on lower time frame, they have to start to manage. That means whoever get the trade within this move, they right now they have to start to manage. It depends on them whether they want to take the profit or move their stop loss to break even or even book some profit. Okay. Anyway, if we want to look for continuation, we need to get the correction here right now because almost price at the highest price at the top of this correction, because right now we can look at this one as a flat. All right, but the only question is this one. This is what is the problem for us. It cannot, if because if we didn't have this shadow, we could conform with this one as a flat, but since we have this shadow, that's why we cannot conform, and that's why if we want to look for continuation, we need to get the bigger correction. In this case, if I move to 1 hour chart, you want to see how we can look at this one as a 1 hour chart. Can we put this one as the internal correction, and this is the start of the up move? Right. In that case, with this one, this move have to retest that 42K because we want to see for the flat. Either we put this one in relative to this, or this is the start of the up move and this is a correction. We're looking for the flat. We don't need to care what type of the flat is that. The best thing is if the price can take 42K, but right now we cannot look for buy because we want to get a bigger correction before we take the trade. In case this is the start of the down move, we have this flat. All right. As I mentioned, the only question is this part. All right. And if I move to 15 minutes, the way it's moving is really corrective. Mostly we can expect the price to drop or either the deeper correction. That's why whoever get a trade, they start to manage. And if you want to look for continuation, let the price correct for a time here. That means this one turned a bigger correction before we get the continuation. That's why if you want to look for buy from now, we need to be really careful in case the price give us one more drop or deeper correction. Then right now we don't have any trade set up. And even if you put this one as a 1, 2, 3 as a flat, the only way is either we trade based on 1 hour lower time frame or put over entry above this, which I don't suggest it. Okay, because we don't want to buy at the top of this correction. All right, that means buying within this zone as long as the price haven't broke 42K is really risky. Then what should we do? Manage the trades we have within this move and wait for this one to consolidate for longer time before we get the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.